Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best cordless high-pressure car washer guns. These are perfect for those who want the power and convenience of a pressure washer without dealing with cords and outlets. Let's jump in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Tanzu cordless high-pressure car washer gun. The Tanzu cordless high-pressure car washer gun promises convenience and power, allowing users to clean cars, courtyards, stone floors, and more without being tethered to a cord. Designed for flexibility and ease of use, this portable washer combines a robust pressure system with a high-performance lithium battery for on-the-go cleaning. We outline the main pros and cons of the Tanzu cordless washer to help you decide if it fits your cleaning needs. Pros: portable and cordless design. One of the most significant advantages of the Tanzu washer is its cordless design. This feature allows users to clean anytime, anywhere, without the hassle of dragging cables or finding power outlets. It is ideal for travelers who need to wash their cars at hotels or remote locations. Adaptable battery model. The washer is equipped with a high-performance lithium battery that supports a range of 18V to 21V, ensuring a powerful and long-lasting energy source. This adaptability offers flexibility in terms of replacement and power management. High rotation speed and pressure. With a rotation speed of 24,000 RPM and a maximum pressure of 80 bar, the Tanzu washer provides strong water output, making it suitable for tackling tough dirt on cars, stone floors, and patios. The powerful spray can effectively clean stubborn grime without the need for excessive scrubbing. Impressive spray distance. The washer has a spray distance of 7 to 10 meters, allowing users to cover larger areas without repositioning frequently. This feature is particularly useful for washing bigger vehicles or expansive outdoor spaces. Versatile accessories. The complete set includes an extension rod, a 5-meter suction hose, and 2 interchangeable heads, providing versatility for different cleaning tasks. The suction hose allows the washer to draw water from a bucket or any other water source, making it convenient for outdoor use. Auto shut-off function. The auto shut-off feature ensures that the washer cuts off when not in use, which helps conserve battery life and prevents unnecessary wear and tear on the device. This function enhances safety and adds to the product's longevity. Cons. Battery life limitations. While the lithium battery provides the freedom of cordless operation, extended or heavy-duty cleaning sessions may drain the battery quickly. Users may need to carry an extra battery for longer use, which adds to the cost and bulk. The Tanzu cordless high-pressure car washer gun stands out as an innovative and convenient cleaning solution for those who value portability and versatility. Its cordless design, powerful 24,000 RPM rotation speed, and multiple accessories make it a solid choice for car owners and outdoor enthusiasts who need flexible cleaning options. Coming in at number 4, we have the Aneng cordless high-pressure car washer gun. The Aneng cordless high-pressure car washer gun is a versatile tool that combines power, convenience, and functionality. Ideal for car washing, garden watering, agricultural irrigation, and various cleaning tasks, this cordless washer gun boasts impressive features that cater to both casual users and cleaning enthusiasts. This video outlines the key pros and cons of this product to help you make an informed decision. Pros: safety-focused design. The washer gun is made of special waterproof materials with water and electricity isolation, providing an added layer of safety. This feature helps prevent accidental damage and ensures that users can operate the device confidently without worrying about water-related hazards. Flexible water inlet options. The ability to use both self-priming and faucet connection water inlets enhances the versatility of the device. Whether you are drawing water from a bucket or connecting directly to a tap, this feature makes the washer suitable for various cleaning setups. Easy installation. The quick plug-in system allows for hassle-free installation of all interfaces. Users can quickly set up or dismantle the unit, making it practical for those who need to move or store it frequently. Customizable cleaning modes. With 6 adjustable water types, the Aneng washer gun provides tailored cleaning options. This allows users to switch between different spray settings, making it easier to tackle tasks that require varying levels of pressure and precision, from gentle watering to high-pressure cleaning. Temperature and overload protection. The temperature protection function adds a significant safety feature. The washer gun automatically shuts down when it detects overheating or an overload, which not only protects the device but also eliminates potential safety risks. High-quality accessories. The package includes a variety of extension accessories, enhancing the convenience and efficiency of cleaning tasks. These attachments ensure that users can achieve comprehensive cleaning results without needing to buy extra tools. Multifunctional usage. This washer gun's multifunctional design makes it suitable for various applications beyond just car washing. It is equally effective for garden watering, agricultural irrigation, and general cleaning tasks, which maximizes its utility. Cons. Pressure output. While suitable for standard cleaning tasks, the pressure output may not match the force of more robust, corded pressure washers. This could be a limitation for those who need extremely high pressure performance for demanding cleaning jobs. The Aneng cordless high-pressure car washer gun stands out for its safety features, versatile water inlet options, and adjustable water types that cater to various cleaning needs. Its temperature protection function and easy installation make it a practical tool for users who value convenience and safety. At number 3, the Onekfyfd cordless high-pressure car washer gun. The Onekfyfd cordless high-pressure car washer gun is designed for those who want a portable, user-friendly solution for washing vehicles and performing light cleaning tasks around the house. With a compact build and decent power specifications, this washer gun is suitable for everyday cleaning needs. Here we explore the pros and cons of the Onekfyfd cordless washer to help potential users make an informed decision. Pros. Portable and lightweight design constructed with ABS and copper. The Onekfyfd washer gun is durable yet lightweight, making it easy to handle and transport. The cordless design adds to its portability, allowing users to clean in different locations without worrying about power outlets. Versatile voltage support. The washer operates at an adaptable voltage range of 1821 V, powered by a 200W motor. This voltage range ensures adequate power for typical cleaning tasks, while also being compatible with common battery types for replacements or backup. Adequate pressure for light cleaning. With a product pressure of 30 bar, the Onekfyfd washer is suitable for basic car washing, patio cleaning, and other household cleaning tasks. While not the most powerful pressure available, it is sufficient for removing dirt, dust, and grime from cars and surfaces without being overly aggressive. Convenient charging. The charger supports a voltage of AC 100 240 V 50-60 Hz, allowing for global compatibility. This is beneficial for users who may need to charge their washer gun in different countries or regions, ensuring convenience during travel or relocation. Sufficient water pipe length. The included 5-meter water pipe provides a reasonable range for cleaning tasks. This length allows for flexibility while washing cars or cleaning outdoor areas without constantly moving the washer or water source. Cons. Limited pressure range. While 30 bar is adequate for general cleaning, it may not be powerful enough for heavy-duty tasks or deeply embedded dirt. Users who need stronger water pressure for more intensive cleaning jobs may find this model lacking. The Onekfyfd cordless high-pressure car washer gun is a practical, lightweight solution for those who need a portable tool for basic car washing and light cleaning tasks. Its cordless design, durable ABS and copper construction, and sufficient water pipe length make it user-friendly and efficient for general use. In the second spot, we have the Hcalory ST-7YS-550 cordless high-pressure car washer gun. The Hcalory ST-7YS-550 cordless high-pressure car washer gun is designed for those who need a versatile and powerful cleaning tool. With its intelligent design and advanced features, this washer gun can handle various cleaning tasks such as car washing, garden watering, and household cleaning. Let's explore the pros and cons to help you decide if it meets your cleaning needs. Pros. Powerful brushless motor. The brushless motor ensures reliable, long-lasting performance. It provides strong power output and efficient energy storage, making it capable of handling various cleaning tasks with ease. Cordless convenience. With its cordless design, the Hcalory washer gun is not restricted by the need for an external power source. This allows for easy maneuverability, making it suitable for use in locations where a power outlet may not be readily available. Adjustable water nozzle. The 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle offers flexibility by allowing users to choose from 6 different spray patterns. This feature enhances its versatility, making it suitable for delicate tasks like watering plants or more intense cleaning like washing a car or a patio. Strong water pressure and long range. Equipped with a 6-cylinder supercharged 20D power system, this washer gun provides powerful water pressure and a 6 to 8 meter spray range. This ensures that even hard-to-reach areas can be cleaned effectively. Intelligent battery and endurance. The 1500 mAh lithium battery is designed for extended use, providing ample power for multiple cleaning sessions. The intelligent electronic control system ensures stable performance and consistent power delivery without sudden drops. Foam bottle inclusion. The washer comes with a foam bottle, which makes it easier to apply soap evenly for car washing. This accessory adds to its convenience and efficiency when cleaning vehicles or other surfaces. Multifunctional use. With its high-strength performance, this washer gun can handle not just car washing but also garden watering, agricultural irrigation, and household cleaning, making it a valuable tool for various cleaning needs. Cons. Battery charging time. Depending on the charging method, recharging the battery might take a significant amount of time. This could be a potential drawback for users who need to use the washer frequently in quick succession. The Hcalory ST-7YS-550 cordless high-pressure car washer gun is a well-rounded cleaning tool that offers flexibility, powerful performance, and multiple cleaning modes. Its brushless motor, 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle, and cordless design make it highly versatile for different cleaning needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gisam cordless high-pressure car washer gun. The Gisam cordless high-pressure car washer gun offers a blend of mobility, power, and convenience for users who need a reliable cleaning tool for outdoor tasks. Designed with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and a host of practical features, it provides a user-friendly experience, making car washing and other cleaning activities easier. Let's highlight the pros and cons of the Gisam cordless washer to help you determine if it's a suitable choice for your cleaning needs. Pros. Cordless design for outdoor convenience. The cordless build, powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion rechargeable battery, makes the Gisam washer ideal for outdoor use. Without the need for power cords or outlets, users can clean vehicles, patios, and outdoor furniture with complete freedom of movement. Large battery capacity. Equipped with a 15,000 mAh lithium battery, the washer offers long battery life, allowing for extended use without frequent recharging. This feature is perfect for users who need to clean larger areas or multiple items without interruptions. Lightweight and easy to use. The Gisam washer is designed to be lightweight and convenient to carry. Paired with its comfort handle, the tool is easy to grip, even during prolonged cleaning sessions. This user-friendly design minimizes fatigue and enhances comfort. Versatile water source compatibility. One of the standout features of the Gisam washer is its ability to draw water from various sources. Whether you're near a bucket, water bottle, stream, or pool, you can effectively use this washer gun to clean without needing direct access to a tap. Advanced water filtration system. The stainless steel fine screen and dual filtration system ensure that water impurities are filtered out, protecting the pump and prolonging the lifespan of the washer. This deep filtration system is essential for users who might be drawing water from less than clean sources, ensuring safe and effective operation. Cons. Durability concerns. While the washer is made for flexibility and convenience, its lightweight construction may raise questions about long-term durability, especially if used for frequent or intensive cleaning tasks. Users should handle it with care to ensure its longevity. The Gisam cordless high-pressure car washer gun is a reliable and convenient cleaning tool for light to moderate outdoor cleaning tasks. Its cordless design, powerful 15,000 mAh battery, and versatile water source compatibility make it a practical option for those who need a flexible cleaning solution without being tied down by cables or power outlets.